Hey guys, so I am going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to add fractions that have different denominators. So let's begin. Our fractions are 2/3 plus 1/2. So just as a reminder, our numerators are the numbers on the top of our fractions. They represent our part. And so our numerators in this particular problem are 2 and 1. Our denominators are the numbers that are on the bottom of the fraction. They represent the whole. Our denominators for this problem are 3 and 2. When we're adding and subtracting fractions, we are not able to combine them unless they have the same denominators. And the reason for that is because they have to be a part of the same whole. And so we are going to do a quick review on how you can easily add fractions that have a different denominator. We're going to use a process called cross multiplying. Some of you guys may remember doing this with Miss Clee, and she called it the butterfly method. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to start by multiplying straight across. We're going to multiply our 3 and our 1. So that is the denominator of our first fraction and the numerator of our second fraction. When we multiply 3 times 1, we get 3. Now, let's take a look at our other numbers. We're going to look at the numerator of our first fraction and the denominator of our second fraction. Those two numbers are 2 and 2. We're going to multiply them together. 2 times 2 is what, guys? That's right. 2 times 2 is 4. Once we've multiplied across, we can then add those two numbers together in order to find out our numerator of our problem. What is 4 plus 3? That's right. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the numerator of our answer is 7. Now, in order to get the denominator, we are going to multiply the denominators of both of our fractions. Our denominators are 3 and 2. What is 3 times 2? You guessed it, 3 times 2 is 6. So we know that 2/3 plus 1/2 is 7/6. That is our answer. Let's try another one together. Let's see. Here's our next problem. We are going to add 1/5 plus 2/4. As you can see, our denominators are different again, which means we cannot just add straight across. We're going to cross multiply. So we'll multiply 5 times 2, and we'll multiply 1 times 4. What is 1 times 4? That's right, 1 times 4 is 4. Now, what is 5 times 2? Correct, 5 times 2 is 10. We can now add these two numbers together to find our numerator. And we find that 4 plus 10 is what, guys? That's right, 4 plus 10 is 14. We've now found the numerator of our fractions. We're ready to find the denominator. In order to find the denominator, remember, you are going to multiply your two denominators together. Our two denominators are 5 and 4. What is 5 times 4? That's right, 20. Guys, remember to use your multiplication chart if you need to. That's your life jacket. Also, if you receive a calculator accommodation, make sure you check your work with your calculator. Let's take a look at another problem. We're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to leave you to do a couple on your own. Here's our last problem that we're going to look at together. 3/5 plus 3/8. Please notice that your denominators are different, which means we cannot just add straight across. So we are going to we are going to multiply 3 times 8. And what is 3 times 8, everyone? That's right, 3 times 8 is 24. And then we are going to multiply across in the other direction. This time multiplying 5 times 3. And what is 5 times 3, everyone? That's right, 5 times 3 is 15. What is the next step? That's right, you're going to add them together. 24 plus 15. When we add 24 plus 15, we get 39. You may have needed to write that on the side of your paper to ensure that you added correctly. Have we finished our problem? Absolutely, we are not finished. We still have to find the denominator of our fraction. In order to do that, we are going to multiply both of our denominators. What is 5 times 8? That's right, 5 times 8 is 40. So the denominator of our fraction is 40. This means that 3/5 plus 3/8 equals 39 over 40. All right, guys, that wasn't too bad. It's now your turn. You're now going to go into the Pear Deck and practice some problems on your screen showing all of your work. If you have any questions, please review the video and ask Ms. Williams to assist you.